Hello guys, so today I'm gonna make a reviews of my new Pandora Marvel collection. So this is the box of the Pandora Marvel. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. So here it is. I've got my new Pandora charm. So I've got Iron Man charm and Arc Reactor, Iron Man Arc Reactor. So this is it. If you can see, they're so beautiful. And at the back of the Arc Reactor, it says, "I love you 3000." So that was the word that Iron Man said to his little daughter, little girl. It's really nice. It's really very cute. It's very cute charm, guys. So highly recommended. So I'm still gonna get more charm in the future, marble charms. So for now, my husband just bought me this bracelet together with these charms. I really like Iron Man. He's one of my favorite in Marvel Avengers. So they're really cute. So there's more to come. So I'm gonna buy more, marble charms in the future. So maybe Hulk and Black Panther and some more. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.